Hi guys, I am back. The bike is fixed and I am commuting by motorbike again. はい、皆さんバイク直しました。もうバイクで通勤してますけど。In this video, I'm going to show you real quick the workflow. I didn't work full days, but I took 2 weekends to get it all fixed up. はい、週末、3日間ぐらいかけて、2週間ぐらいかけて直しましたけど、今日は簡単にどうやって直したかどうか動画で見せたいと思います。最後にいくらかかったかどうかも発表します。At the very end, I'm going to explain to you how much everything costs and break down the costs for fixing the mirror, the signal light, the dent, and changing the muffler, and also the foot pegs. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. どうぞ。 by Kansai Rider. It's got the names of all the Japanese-made motorbikes, and my bike is somewhere around here, I think. If you're keeping, got the position light on, gotta make sure that you put the right blue cable back in for the front, otherwise the timing of the signal light will go off. It'll click slower or faster, so make sure you get that one right. Alright, so this is the moment of truth. I got this muffler. It looks like pretty much the same size. Looks like it's the same LCI, but I got this for just a fraction of the cost secondhand. But if you look at the baffle, this one is cut all the way through, and it's got a much bigger hole, whereas that one, you can tell the hole is much smaller. That one, see that? So we'll see. I'll probably take the baffle out and put it in this one, because so far it's been working well. We'll see if I can get this. I'll put this band on, flip it around the other side, so this muffler obviously got scratched up here. Hi guys, it's a beautiful day out here. I'm on my way home from work and I'm back to riding. And as you can see, the bike's fixed. Today I just want to go kind of recap what I did. I already showed you most of that, but I just want to go over the cost of how much everything came down to. And yeah, I mean, look at this place. This is one of my favorite places to come. It's just a big park right by the river. Love wide open places. Beautiful. Anyways, hey, let's take a look at the bike. So this side, the right side, was the side that was damaged the most. This slider really did its job. You can take a good look there. There's 2 centimeters of this that grounded off, and I have it on the other side as well. Here's what it looks like. It's getting scratched, and this is what this side looks like. Anyways, so the damaged, I had to change the signal light, the turn signal light. I brought this from over this side here. I just took this one and I put the new one here for different reasons. It's got a position light, and the new kind of replacement part didn't have that option. So anyways, I brought that one here. The handlebar had to be changed as it was bent, so handlebar and bar end, new bar ends, because my original one didn't have bar ends, so it's just kind of built in ends there. New peg and a muffler, and I believe that's all. And also the mirror, of course, the mirror. So let's break this down to how much everything came down to. Oh, I also fixed the dent in the tank. So the mirror, I went with the same mirror that I had before, 10X Napoleon. That was around 1,500 yen, about maybe 15 bucks, $12 or so. So pretty simple. The tank, I thought if I had to repaint the whole thing or buy a whole new tank, that would have really gone up. But I got that tool for about $15 at 1500 yen online, and it's not bad. You can tell that there's a little bit of a thing here. But it came out not bad, and I'm gonna just go with that for now. The handlebar was about 1,000 yen, about $9 at this secondhand place, and it came with the support bars, aluminum. So that was a really good deal. I just jumped on that. I don't know. I think it might the Hardy handlebar. These bar ends, surprisingly, were even more. They cost, I got these brand new, and they were like $20, 2,000 yen for these. And let's see, pegs, a set of pegs. I got this. I changed the other side as well. They're a little bit short, but they're just totally fine. And so that was also around 2,000 yen. I'll include the exact prices here, but that was about $20 also, maybe, with the exchange rate, maybe $18-19. And the muffler, when I bought this LCI, there's a whole review video and all that on there on my channel, but that, I think I must have paid 26,000 yen for this whole slip-on system and that. But I got this piece, just this piece, without the springs, without this connecting piece, and without this brace, for just 6,500 yen, about $60 on Yahoo auctions. I'm really happy about that. The only thing was that the baffle inside was this massive baffle, and it was pretty much just wide open. So I just, it was the exact same size, so I just slipped in mine in there, and I switched, I flipped this band over because the other side, the side that was sticking out, got all scratched and damaged. So I just flipped it around, and so it's not bad. So if you, and then also the signal light, I got a set of these signal lights. They look pretty much the same. I carbon wrapped mine in carbon. This one doesn't have it yet, but just because I wanted to get it running. It takes a little bit of kind of tweaking to get it to fit, but it's pretty much the same size, and it comes with a bulb. Not the exact same bulb, but it works. So what did everything come down to? Okay, so I'm going to, if you've already been calculating along with me, you figured it out, but I think everything came to about 15,000 yen. I'm going to correct myself in the text here. You'll have the exact amount here, but about 15,000, about $150. I was able to do all the repairs on this bike for that, so I'm really happy. It was a cheap mistake. It wasn't that expensive, and my foot's healing fine. I'm back to riding, and that's it. That's how much it cost to repair my bike from the last from the accident, from my crash. So I hope you find that helpful in calculating. I don't know how much repairs like this might cost if you happen to need to do the same ones. What I highly recommend is these frame sliders. Definitely get this, because if I didn't have this, I would have had massive scratches and huge dents on the tank, the frame. The radiator probably would have been done in. This engine case probably would have been severely damaged too. So definitely get this. I'm probably going to get a new one just to make sure it's big enough, and might put this over here by the muffler so that it protects the muffler. So the muffler won't get scratched. Hopefully there won't be a next time that I go down, but it's better to be prepared for those kind of things. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.